This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Just show up. Give it your best. That's what counts the most. That's what has the biggest impact.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get the day started over here. Big Mike and the tongue twister. Ominous omnius. Try to say that 10 times fast. One day I'll be able to come in early. I always say 9:15 or earlier, and it always seems to be 9:15 or later. Maybe I should change what I say. As always, new day, new opportunities, and it's a free reset, right? I got to roll over on one of my, rolling over there on my Ninja Trader. Yep, a free reset. You know what it is, a free reset? It's not so much that it's a free reset on your account. Your account stays the same. Every morning is a free reset psychologically. You come in fresh, new opportunities. That's why. Keep your losses small. Keep that in mind. I'll remind you guys every day. Don't let the markets take money from you. Just keep everything in control, in check. I have one thing that I just have to move here, and then we're going to take a look. Let me just get this down here. It's confusing. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at the markets. Oh, let's get up the chat. That's important. How you guys doing this morning? And more importantly, what do we think is going to happen today in FOMC? Let me put live chat over here. Okay, that's odd. We are going to start off with the 30-minute chart. That's not a 1-minute chart. That's wrong. Let me fix that. You guys are on the right chart, right? Give me a sec. I clicked the button. I didn't fix my my strat last night. Didn't have the opportunity to work on it, to recode it. But today's what? Today is FOMC day. So I'm not going to push it too hard. I'm going to trade smaller size. It's been pretty difficult trading lately. We've really been going into these consolidations, you know, starting like at 940, Let's just take a look at yesterday's consolidation. We break out at around 11:30. Yeah, 11:30 we took off. That's what I was thinking. You make the real move around 11:30. See what it looks like on the 5-minute. Oh, the 5-minute only has 1 day. That's too little. Data series. Let's get 3 days up. I'm not a fan of having a bias. Yeah, it was a strong day yesterday. I mean, look at the daily. There's the daily. Look at the daily. You want to be fading that? Seriously? Good morning, Skeletor. Do we want to be fading that? That's the daily MNQ chart. Let me open it up for you a little bit more. I mean, you got to have balls of steel if you want to be fading that. If you want to make predictions of lower prices. Seriously. Good for you if you can do it. I'm sure there's people predicting crashes and people predicting that we're going lower. They're a dime a dozen. Eventually they're right. But you know what? You can't just call a direction and say you were right. You have to time it. Can't keep coming into the markets every day and saying, oh, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down, and do that for 9 months. And then when it goes down, oh, look, I was right. Yeah, okay, one time. Your hit rate is under 4%. Still climbing up in that channel on the 4-hour chart since the beginning of September. 30-minute, you know the drill, ladies and gentlemen. Did we break above, or did we sweep both sides of the Asia session? No, we did not. We only swept the Asia session highs. And it's another Groundhog Day. We're above previous day's close. We're above VWAP. Same thing that we were yesterday. Above previous day's close, above VWAP. And in the upper, pretty close to the London session highs. And it's, oh no, today we're near the London session lows. That was 2 days ago. Then I thought there was a day we were near the London session lows. Nope. Nope. I'm mistaken. Okay. It's a new day. Good morning. Good morning, Omnius. Yeah. I did the, what did I do? I don't know what I did. I already forgot. I think I ran through it all. Holy mother of God, you guys are going to cut my legs off. I'm not even going to tell you. Because I don't think anyone even noticed. Yeah, no, you guys aren't going to notice what I did. I'm not letting you know what I did. Did you see my opening? Oh, you're right. Thank you, Skeletor, for telling me early. Yeah, you should remind me every morning that the Omnius doesn't have sound. I have to turn it off because when I play like that beginning or anything with audio, it echoes if I have your sound on.
Bama, good morning.
Your capture.
Skeletor, good morning. Happy FOMC day.
Yep.
I didn't put that in the title. Work on these title, people.
Let's get Bulenox open. I think I'm getting sick.
Me too.
I hate to say it. My nose is blocked. I haven't started sneezing yet, but
give it time.
No.
I've been sick the past couple of days. Not that bad though. Just kind of got like a headache or something. Twisted Trading. Good morning. think I was already sick once, so I think this is like the mild comeback around. Just where you're like not like sick, but just kind of feel like crap. You know what I mean?
Okay, 9:28.
What else was I doing? I was doing something else and you distracted me.
Okay. I have to admit my error. I'm sorry, guys. I did a
What'd you
pre-market analysis without connecting to Apex or any company. So I think I did a pre-market analysis on yesterday.
On old data?
Yeah. Okay, just quickly. I'll do the 30-minute. That's for me the most important. And we swept the Asia session lows, then we swept the Asia session highs. 80% we're going to sweep the lows, but we already did that at 5 in the morning, so that trade's finished. Where are we now? We are below. Ooh, we're in the death zone for me. We're between previous day's close and VWAP. That's always hell for me. So I'm going to cut ties with my mouse and I'm going to sit on my hands.
What'd the mouse do? Are you blaming the mouse?
I'm blaming the mouse. That's it. I'm off the mouse. I'm swearing off the mouse. That's it. I'm done.
One of those people. Get fat and blame the food.
Blame the food. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Whatever the reason you was blaming the mouse, I didn't really hear it, so.
There's another funny thing that maybe you guys will notice today. I brought, well, you know where I went yesterday, right? So I brought home an office chair. Oh shit, we're open. Forget it. Tell you later.
I thought we'd been open. What was all that movement?
Yeah, it's. Let's go up here. Shit, I missed the 7-pointer. Oh well.
They're getting busy early today, ain't they?
I have a line there. I don't even know what line that is. Is that
Probably
black?
closed.
That's previous day's close.
Open.
Yeah, no, it's previous day's close. It's a white chart. I gotta change the colors on them. Sound check. Yes, that's something I should do every morning, right? Let's take care of that. Check. Yes, that's something I should do every morning, right? Let's take care of that. Check. Yes, that's something I should do every morning. Okay. I'll just take a look at Omnis's volume when he speaks.
He's not speaking. He might have done a little bit.
You're not redlining, but you're good. Sparky, bug off.
Trying to get my footprint chart to come up. It's amazing how difficult it is.
Good morning, JC. I have a short. Oh, but VWAP's there. I should have taken EC. You see. Okay, I'm up $70. I'll take it. To hell with it. The hell with it. We're right at the. Oh shit! Now we're. Yeah, no. You're not slapping me around in this.
What happened?
In this washing machine. Oh, I took a short. Just on the previous day's close, we got the VWAP I covered.
Putting the footprint chart up's like playing like roulette or something. You have to guess. Just brings up a bunch of groups. It's like pick one.
Yeah.
Like 4. You might display all your information. You might get the right chart.
That's my heart monitor, guys. It's starting to get a little excited. I think we're going to break over the previous day's close. Give me a chance to enter.
I keep hearing people say that if they drop interest rates, it's going to crash the market. I don't know. It don't make sense to me. If the companies have more access to money.
Yeah.
Why would that crush the market?
Yeah. I was talking about that. I think my mic was off. I don't even know. Or my mic was on. Either way, I'll repeat it. There's always people saying that there's going to be a crash. There's always people saying we're going down. And then when the market eventually does go down, which it eventually will, they say they're right.
Yeah.
I don't even know how you can have the gall or the balls to say something like that, seriously. January, the markets are going down. Wrong. February, markets are going down. Wrong. March, markets are going down. Wrong. You know, there's one element. It's not just direction, buddy. It's timing too, eh?
Hey.
I didn't say, you just hear it. You hear it now. Even if I don't say it, I think you hear it.
Chat, did he say A? Anyone? I'll have to go back.
Yeah, I said it. I said it. Hey?
I just think it's funny. Everybody's got their word they say, right?
No, I don't think it's funny. I think it's going to be funny when you start to say it.
Hey?
when you've heard it so often that you start to say it.
People are going to be like, what's up with this guy? He got a southern accent.
And then I go,
says
champion. 2-minute opening range. I don't have the guts to take it. I never do. Would have been a nice one.
Then I'll have you saying words like y'all.
Y'all. Would have been a nice one, y'all, eh? Well, we're at previous day's low. Ooh, we got all these levels. You know what? London session lows. I guess there must have been some kind of news at 5 in the morning. We got all the way down to 4:55.
For anybody unaware, it is FOMC day.
Yeah.
Could be some crazy movement. You never know with FOMC day.
Pre-market lows, 486. So there's the bounce off the previous day's low. Told you that's one of my favorite, most reliable trades that I never take. Explain that.
Take it.
Explain it. How do I not take my favorite trade? One of my most reliable favorite trades. Why does he not take it?
Sometimes you just got to close your eyes and take the trade, right?
It's because I don't know where to put the stop. That's the problem. If you're wrong, where do you put the stop?
Under the low. You wait for it to bounce up.
No, it always
5 points or so, and then
it always ticks a little bit, you know? 5 points, 10 points. Like, I don't want to just guess. I don't want to catch a falling knife. I want to see some movement back up, some continuation. I could put, I guess, a very short-term Renko, and when a bar changes, I could say, okay, there's a little bit of movement to the upside. But I've tried that.
10 points. What would that have done today?
10 points.
2 points. So 10 points would have. You could have did a 10 to 15.
Yeah, but why 10? It's just a random number.
It is. Because if it goes further than 10, I'm thinking that it's going to keep going.
That you're wrong. Yeah. Nah, it does that, though, sometimes. Sometimes it goes 10. Sometimes it goes 15. You know,
you got to form a trade, okay? You got to call something.
Well, remember I spoke a little bit about Robert Anderson? So he would trade the bounces off the previous day's close. That was one of his favorite trades. He would wait for a break of the high of the 1 minute candle. If it's a bounce to the upside. In other words, right now I was expecting a bounce or looking for a bounce off the previous day's
Problem
low.
is, by then you could have already missed the trade.
He went for 10 points and he set a very tight stop and he trailed it very quickly. He was a master of not letting the market
go for the 1 minute. Tell me the number. I don't have it on this chart.
I don't know what his cancellation policy was. Maybe a full
What's
bar.
What's the number on the... I can't see. Was that 409?
Previous day's lows, 499. If you're looking at previous day's low.
Let's put it there. Okay, so 1 minute candle, there would have been no trade.
No. If you're talking the Robert Anderson style entry.
But you'd have to go way up here at 513. No way.
Not now. Not now. Now, the previous day's high, the previous candle's high is 502. But when did he? I have to go and review his material and see when he said, "Okay, no trade," because it would
just like the open range test. You gotta put your order there and give it about 10 points. It either works or it don't.
Yeah, no, I'm not a fan of that. I'm a continuation trader. I prefer the continuation trade. But now we got 2 closes under the previous day's low and a full candle under
We
the
got the
previous
ES
day's
still
low.
pushing up. ES is bullish. NQ's bearish. We have a split market.
So I think I'm going to try a trade.
Who's telling the truth? ES or NQ?
Let's do the 40. Okay, there's no way I didn't click sell ask. I just hit it twice. Let's see if it gives me a 10 lot. I hope not. I'm doing a 10 for 10. Let's go. Give me the cash register. Ring the register. Bugger. Come on. You're not going up. I'm not letting you go.
Ring it.
And I got out early. Too often it just kisses the take profit. And, well, with Chat's Choice, we're letting it go to full loss. I wouldn't let it go to full loss. I would have just put my stop at break even. There's no way I'm getting to 1 point from take profit.
Anybody in a trade? Anybody looking at a trade? We're looking at chat. We are at the point of control of a 30-minute candle way back here. Was that 4:30? M pattern. Who was it that liked the M pattern so much?
I love the M pattern. My name's Mike.
Forgot who it was.
Very hard for you to get an O pattern. I feel bad for you. M pattern? Head and shoulders. No? Isn't the M pattern kind of like the head and shoulders?
Why does it say you're going to be right back?
Not anymore. Not on my screen.
Hey, did you see we got a pause button now? Wonder what it does.
No.
Got a pause button now.
Where do I have a pause button?
I'm not telling. Then you might pause.
There's
There's a pause button now.
No, I don't know where it is.
Oh, we got another feature there too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I can pause. I click on live chat and there's pause.
And there's a stream marker.
Live chat,
What?
top chat. You got all good stuff. I don't have any of the good stuff.
I'm gonna mark it right there. Let's put a mark.
YouTube don't love me like they love you.
Oh, they just brought out a whole bunch of features. That's why I sent you the video.
I saw
You're
it.
like-
You're the
You're
chosen
like, oh, I
one.
can't watch that. It's too long.
You said, shit. I forgot my set of nipples.
Well, look, I'm just trying to tell you the new features coming out.
Did
If
you
you're
bring your
interested.
nipples?
I mean, I might have sent you a couple of videos, but I sent some good ones, right?
Yeah, you did. You did. And
Your girl had a white shirt on, showing her nipples and stuff. I'm gonna crop it out and put it on my thumbnail. If it works for her, it might work for me.
That was a 3-hour video.
What was?
That one, Mike.
Damn, I didn't tell you to watch it for 3 hours, Mike. That's on you.
No, it wasn't a 3-hour video. I'm sure it was a 3-hour video.
I'm just telling you what you do after a $200 and something thousand loss, how to make it back.
Tomorrow I'll have my nipples. Today I got my balls. Tomorrow I bring in my nipples. Guys, watch out.
And if it works for her, maybe I'll crop it and put it on my thumbnail. Why not?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, they released something like 30 new
taller.
features for live streaming yesterday. Supposedly the largest live streaming update they've ever done.
Boom.
That's their words, not mine.
Okay, let me mark off the 9:30 start here. Hey, Alex, we don't see your chart because price is lower. Click the F. Booyah! There we go. Thank you, Alex.
Yeah, man. People want to see the chart. Wait, people look at the chart?
We don't see your chart because price is lower. Alex, we don't see your last name because your dad told you to remove it. You know the story.
I know the story. I don't know the story.
Yeah, I told you the story. You just don't remember anything.
Oh. Now you're saying I'm the one that don't. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, your hat's too tight. You got to
It is too tight.
the back.
I need a bigger hat.
The back. I got to start wearing a hat. You told him like 3 times. Yeah, I know. He never listens.
Am I supposed to?
Ruan, good morning. Good morning, Ruan. Okay, I got a top step trade at 944. It hasn't triggered yet. Stay off.
Everybody's got that. Everybody's got that one crazy friend that they talk to all the time, but they never really listen to.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you're that guy, but I'm not saying you're not that guy.
Short at 72. Come on, let me get 74 on this. Let me get 74 on this. Short at 72. I haven't taken it yet. 73.50. That was my chance. There's a little bit of a delay. 74. I'm good. 2 points better. I got to remove my stop because that is not the stop. The stop is at 79 plus 7. Anyone want to do the math?
Nope.
Shit,
Math's hard.
I should know it. 72.86. And I had an entry there at 79 to add. I could have gotten out of my other piece here at 6 points better.
You want to do math? You should ask my son. He loves
the
that
poor
stuff.
math. It should be simple math. First you add the 10, then you add the 4.
Like I said, if you wanted to do math, you should have asked him.
So 72, we're targeting 65. Targeting 65. Let's see if we can get down to 65. Targeting 65. Why don't I just put in my take profit order at 65 and a quarter? We won't be a dick for a tick. Let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, no. Push a little bit lower. Come on. It's not even the U.S. session lows. Give me this one trade. Give me this one trade. I swear I'll never trade again. I'll never trade again. Thank you. I will never trade again.
You out?
I'm out. I got it. I got it. Anyone catch that with me? Anyone take that trade? If you did, say hoorah.
What if you didn't? Hey?
Say, I'll get the next one. I'll get the next bus.
I'm waiting for the short bus.
Nice trade. Show the screen better where you got it. I don't know how to do that. Too late now.
Yeah, next time.
Oh, I know what you're talking about, Al. No, you see that that little screen there? What you're seeing on the left side is a 9x16. It's a perfect 9x16 dimension inside a 16x9. I use it to what do I use it for, Omnius? I forgot the word. There we go. We're back on the full chart. I use it to
make
my 9x16 little crop. Yeah, make
Yeah.
little highlight clips. It's a perfect 9x16. I don't have to think. I don't have to do anything. It just pulls it right out from that left side. So that was a highlight clip.
Speaking of that, since you got your highlight clip, might add another marker.
Might another marker? Was that English? Might another marker?
It's not my fault you can't understand English.
Guys,
Add another
marker.
Add another marker.
Add another marker. Why did you take that? What's the setup? Most of the guys in the chat know. That's the Renko setup. 73% accuracy for a 7-point profit target. I try to get it 2 or 3 points better. That gives me a 1-for-1. That makes it a 10-point target. or an 11-point target, and it's a 73% accurate trade. It's got a 73% accuracy.
Yes, it's pushing.
I do put it up. I never had up my top step chart, but now that I have daytraders.com, I do put it up. And you know what? Let me get it up here.
Now, what's their chart called?
Platform X.
Platform X.
Platform X, which is the same thing as Top Step X. That's where I get my Rankos from. That's the most reliable Ranko charts. They give you the least amount of false signals and the most amount of...
Bama, how's the long trade working? Did you get out? You still in it? Holding it? Was it about 20 points of drawdown, I think, if you held? Or did you get out and get back in?
Position bracket enabled. What? How do I, anybody know how to, there we go. Okay, so I'm covering up a thing here. Let's go down to the bottom. Renko. No?
No, got out quick.
Project X. There we go, Project X.
Yeah, that was looking crazy right there.
There we go. I took the sell on this continuation bar right there, and I needed the target of 65, which you can see we went down to 65, and I took it at 65 and a quarter. So I pretty much bottom ticked right there. Perfect. You know what? I'm going to keep up Project X. I think my next trade I'll take on Project X.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Oh, it's full screen. Should be half screen. I don't want it to dominate. I'll have to make another scene where it's not dominating like that. Okay, we'll take it down.
Wasn't looking for reversal. You're just looking for a quick trade or bounce off?
Oh,
2-minute trade is done.
I didn't know I can do that.
Another win for the 2-minute trade. Took it kind of late. It normally takes it about 9:42.
I can just flip between.
We got 9:50, 10 more minutes. Expected at a reaction at that area. Got one. Yeah, I was looking to see how it reacted.
So you can see from, let me put up Project X again, why my bias is going to shift to...
this candle has the point of control at the same spot as that one.
Shift to long. Getting over the bands. Full bar above the bands. I can see it if I open it up. You can see we got a full bar above the bands, not touching the upper band there. I'm looking for longs in all the right places.
Bama wants to see us come down further. Maybe fill some of this gap. Got the hourly gap here. Doubled up. So maybe
Sparky,
440.
You didn't get cookies this morning, Sparky? There you go.
Yes, looks like it wants a reversal.
Yeah, that's the one thing I'm missing is the 5-minute charts for both of the ES and the NQ.
Looking at the 1 hour on the ES right now.
Go
back to the 2-minute.
We're in a bad spot.
For what?
Well, trade. We're now...
I'm in a pretty good spot. I got a light right there. I got a fan right there. I'm good.
Yeah, we're
nice and comfortable, man. You got to change your location.
We're in a sandwich. Or a sandwich. We're in a sandwich. between previous day's low, between VWAP, between previous day's close. A lot of smacking around, a lot of bouncing around. And that's to be expected, eh? Like you said, pre-FOMC. You going to be in front of the charts today, 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2:30? You thinking about that? I know you're going to go pick up your kids, eh? I think.
Kids. FOMC's at what, 2?
Yeah, they come out at 2 and then they speak at 2:30.
I was thinking of YOLOing an account.
There's a really good trade at 2:45. It's a Tom Hugard trade. I could look it up. We could watch it. Chat if you're interested. Follow that trade. It's a statistic.
I'll be on at 2:45. I'll be back at a little after 3.
It's a statistically significant trade. He's done a lot of research on it.
If you want to go live, I'll go live with you. I just have to cut out or pause the stream or whatever for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll be here. We'll use that new pause feature. No, seriously, where do you see it? All joking aside.
It's on the studio page. What do you call it? The screen that you're supposed to have open all the time that you never do to edit and stuff.
That one there.
Shows you your stream settings, your health, analytics.
I don't even know how to get there.
How?
Seriously.
Because your streaming software starts the stream automatically, right?
Yeah.
And mine don't. I always got to go here to start it. I don't know.
I mean, I go the long way. I can go through YouTube Studio, click Create Stream, believe it or not, and that puts me in that area.
No, you just go to the one that's already open, and there's a broadcast thing right next to it. See? The one that's already open says live broadcast.
I love how he says see, like I can see a screen.
View in live control room. That's what it is, live control room.
Why do I have Project X? Let's get out of there. Okay, I'm getting position bracket enabled. I don't even know what that means.
Me neither.
We'll leave that. It's on the screen. It's scaring me. Position bracket enabled.
We're going up now, going back down.
Well, could bounce off previous day's low. It's a possibility. Previous day's low is that red dash line. No, Sparky, that was enough. Just
looking
say
at how
thank you.
we bounced off the 5-minute moving average.
Just say
I want to
thank
know
you.
if I auto adjust where it's at. Oh, same spot. So we're back in the right spot today.
93.0313. Okay. Yeah, that's something I could do for the bounce. What? You want more? Yeah, you're giving me a little tap with your arms instead of biting me? Sure. If you give me a little nudge like that, I'll give you more. Guys, if you want to help support the channel, I'll post my address in the description. You could send me little boxes of cat cookies so I could keep feeding my cat so he stops meowing. There you go. I don't know if there's any cat in the world that eats more cat cookies. But I did GPT it.
While you're giving away all your address and information, I'll be back in a minute.
But it's going to be allegedly my address.
Allegedly. Well, how are you going to get the cat treats?
I'll allegedly go to that house and say, "Did you get my package?"
Give them the neighbor's address. People keep sending me cat treats.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Huh? That's good thinking. You got to think smart.
Yeah. Or I could send it to your house, and then you could mail it to me. I only have to give you my address. So I'll need your address later. I'll need your alleged address later.
My mom told me to never give my address to somebody over the internet.
Yeah, don't talk to strangers. Okay, go take your break. Go get another Zip Fizz. Heat up your coffee.
I don't think my mom ever said that. Back when I was a kid, they were trying to get rid of us.
Yeah.
Like, oh, they got a white van, says candy. Why not get inside?
No windows?
Why wouldn't you get in?
Yeah.
I barely let my kids get off the bus at the end of the street and walk home.
Do not copy.
I was his age.
Do not copy.
I was his age. I was walking all the way across town.
Oh my God, are you kidding?
Several times a day.
I was walking to school in kindergarten. And it was like not next door. Yeah, but like I said, do not follow our advice. We're not parental advisors. Seek the advice of a licensed professional parental advisor.
I show my son where we used to live and where I used to walk to every day to the school, and then where I'd go after school and then back home. And he's like, and you won't even let me walk around the block?
Different world.
I'm like, it is a different world. I try to explain that to him. Back when I was a kid, there was kids everywhere, riding bikes, playing.
Yeah,
people outside everywhere. Now you go outside, it's like a ghost town. You don't see any kids.
Yeah, well, you know what's different about the world? Information. We didn't know what was going on. I don't think it wasn't happening. We just weren't aware it was happening.
Well, everybody's scared of their own shadows nowadays.
And as our awareness increased, we said, "Oh shit, we got to stop this."
But there was more community then.
Yeah.
Like I tell my kid, when I was a kid, you could walk up to anybody's house and be like, hey, can I call my parents, or can I get a drink of water or something? Nowadays, some kid walks up to a house, they might get shot.
Okay, we're flip-flopping with VWAP in previous days low, but we are staying under it. So that's a good sign for some continued movement to the downside. I could see us taking out, targeting 460. That's the opening range. That's the most obvious target. Too bad I don't have a setup. If I had a setup, I would jump in. But I don't have a setup, so I'm not taking it. I need a little bit of a pullback, let's say to the 490 area, and then some continuation lower. So a pullback, still staying under previous day's low, and then we show some movement to the downside. Just trading the Heiken SE candles would have been profitable today also. How are the bands doing? Did the bands catch a trade? 930. 930's here. No, there's one trade. It would have been a loser. Theoretically, you can make an argument if you're an aggressive scalper. Oh, it's not up. Let me get up the Renko. If you're an aggressive scalper, you could have taken... This one would have been the loser over there. And if you're an aggressive scalper with the bands, you could have taken a short over there. You'd be up about 20 points. I take those. But the best ones are when you take a trade to bounce off the farther band, not the closer band. So your stop is smaller. Yeah, nice move lower. Did we get to, yeah, we did. 15-minute opening range. Okay. We're going to look for the retest, but I need 2 consecutive closes under the opening range. Let's wait for that. Step 1. Step 2. Then I need a full candle under the opening range, which is the thin blue line where we're trading at right now, around 62, let's say. That's close number 1. We wait a minute for candle close number 2. Like I said, once you get away from VWAP in previous day's low or previous day's high, previous day's close, usually markets show momentum. I really like trading when we're below previous day's low or above previous day's high. I think that puts in people's mind that we're going to have nice continuation rather than when you're trading inside the previous day's range. So right there, we did not get 2 closes. You can see on the 1 minute candle. Let me open it up for you guys. We didn't get 2 previous closes. We didn't get 2 candle closes. Sorry, bad language. We didn't get 2 candle closes under the 15-minute opening range. So for me, there was no retest trade there. I didn't even get my 2 candle closes. Didn't show that price was holding under. That's a quick bounce. Actually, on a quick bounce like that, if I were to trade, if I were to be a counter trend trader, I would be taking it to the upside, not to the downside. The continuation trade, the retest, is a continuation to the downside. How you doing, I don't know how to call you. I'm going to start calling you ominous. They're so close. Ominous, omnious.
They sound nothing alike.
Well, it's a tongue twister nonetheless. Anybody can say it 10 times fast, they win a prize.
Omnious or ominous?
No, ominous, omnious. Say it 10 times fast, you win a prize. You know what the prize is? You give them a winning trade. You
know what ominous means?
Ominous. I know what a lot of words means, but don't ask me to explain it. Isn't that the crazy thing?
Not really crazy. It's like
very difficult to explain what a word means for me.
It's like haunting or daunting, or like the sky is a real gray and dark looking.
Yeah, that's it.
You'd call it omnious, or I can't even say it now.
Ominous. That's a good way to give a person an idea of what it means, but that's not the definition of the word. Like if you were to look in the dictionary, what you did was you didn't say what the word meant. You gave a description of the word. You know, like sticky. Oh, when you put your fingers together and, you know, they stick. That's not, you know, they don't come apart easy.
Anyways.
Yeah.
Words sound similar, but they're nothing alike.
No. Well, omnious is just a name. No? Omnious isn't a word. It doesn't have a meaning. That right? Am I wrong? Hey? 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 Am I right? Am I wrong?
Omnious is actually the race of robots trying to take over the universe.
Forgot the name of the movie.
Series Dune.
Transformers?
Dune.
I think it's in Transformers too.
No, that's something else.
The big guy. It wasn't Omnius? The main one?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime, yeah. But when they said it fast, it really sounded like Omnius Prime. Optimus, Omnius.
Skynet. Mike. Yeah, kind of like Skynet.
Michael. Okay, we got a bit.
Although the funny part is I don't think they ever put Omnius in the movies. And I've never read the books. So I just don't know where I got the name from. That's the only thing I found reference to it. Mm. It's funny because I was like thinking of the name, and I was thinking, am I thinking the other one, Ominous? I was like no. I actually did Omnius and switched it to the other one and switched it back. I'm like, no, it's not it. It's funny because the name just came right to me. I set up a channel. I was like, first name I went with. Mm. You go read the books or wait till they come out with a movie about Omnius?
Books are always better. You can be so much more descriptive in a book than you can in a movie. Shit.
If you're a steady reader.
Mm.
Like my wife, she loves books.
Yeah, I'm a fan of books too.
That's like her pastime activity. She cried now because she's reading a book and she's got to hurry up and get to the end of it before they take it away. Isn't that a crazy scheme? They give you a digital book. Like you rent a digital book on your phone.
Holy shit.
But then you only get like
time limit?
Yeah, you only get like 2 weeks to read it.
No I'm kidding. That's insane.
And then if you don't finish, you have to wait until it's available again to be able to rent it again. Like, what do you mean available? It's a digital book.
Yeah, I guess it goes with licensing. They have only so many copies.
Yeah.
Or it's a scam. One or the other.
And then she's mad because she's fixing to get part 2 and hasn't finished part 1. So now she has to read part 2 without finishing part 1.
Ouch. Take your time. Life is long.
They don't give you time. You got 2 weeks to read a book.
No, finish 1. Then when you finish it, you go get 2. In the meantime, if
no, because you have to pre-order.
Yeah, I was going to say
because it could take weeks to months or whatever to get the book.
Okay.
So if you have to go ahead and pre-order number 2, and then if you don't finish number 1, you just kind of screwed.
Yeah, I hate when you have to make number 2 and you haven't finished your number 1. You got to finish your number 1. Come on.
I feel like you should be able to petition them or whatever. But look, can you give me 2 extra days?
Shit.
Right at the end.
I'm offering at 76. It went to 75 like 3 times already. I'm long at 70. A quick 6-point scalp here. I so hate when that happens. I guess it's going to happen, right? There's nothing to do to avoid it.
You gonna yellow some counts today?
No. That's just giving money to the prop firms. They're spending all the money they're going to make already. They're all excited. I'm sure they love this day.
Well,
wow.
I got 2 accounts about at the same price.
Yeah.
And I think they renew in 10 days, 5 days. So even if I blow both of them, they're going to renew in a couple days anyways.
Yeah. I guess, yeah, in that case. Can I tell you which trade? Can I tell you which direction to go?
To blow my other accounts for a week.
Yeah. I was going to say, can I tell you which direction to take the trade? I'll be careful.
What I want to do is both directions.
Yeah.
You got to find out a better strategy, though.
Well, I've never seen.
By the time you get into one, by the time you get into the other one, it's already moved.
I've never seen anyone do it, and I don't know how it's done. I'd love to see someone do it effectively.
Where's Joker? At Joker comes by, we'll quiz him on it.
I think FSP is the authority on that style of trading, in my opinion.
So he does?
As far as I know.
Well, if he comes by, we'll quiz him on it.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
If there's any other degenerates, we'll quiz them on it.
No, FSP would come back. He's the Oriental guy there, future scalper, whatever.
Oh. Yeah.
Ping. Who else? Who else have I seen do it? OFT. He knows. He's got experience in that world too.
Maybe what I'll do is set up charts just for that. I got one here. I'm not even going to move it to NQ until it's time. Maybe I'll set up another one. I can put them side by side. Click the B, click the S. You told me 7 contracts. That's why I went wrong before. I did 10, and I was doing 5. And I was... Let's see. I got a 92 point take profit.
Push. Where are we? I'm looking for a bounce up. Okay, we're above the 15-minute opening range. I can see us pushing higher.
47 times 20 equals 140 times. Oh, what was the 92? All right. 92 divided by 4, 23. 7 times 20 equals 140 times 23 equals 3,200. Room for error?
Room for error.
Watch me get 91. Bam, every time I get in a trade, barcode. Yeah, man, I'm looking at the 2-minute chart, and every candle's got these wicks everywhere. Looking at the volume chart, it's just sideways.
I'm sorry, Sparky, you got what you need.
What is this range here? 17 points? Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Wow, that's some sideways action again. Did it start at 9:40? No, this time it started at 10 o'clock. Actually, 9:47 was 9:50 around was when it started last time. Last 2 days.
Lots of beeps. We a lot of volume coming in, but it's not really going anywhere.
Oh, let's take a look at that. 362,000. No, that's low. We should be at 400,000 by 9:30 for a normal day. I mean, doesn't
I got all these large orders.
Yeah, no, I mean, it doesn't mean that you're not getting spikes there, whatever, but on the volume.
Well, it's not steadily coming in. It's just coming in enough to
but overall
spike large orders and then dropping off.
Yeah, overall not impressed. Not impressed with the volume.
Yeah, you can see right there. You can see every candle's got cute. The yellow boxes is the power trades. And this is a 2-minute chart here. Every candle of the day.
Oh, we got a short
large orders and it dies off.
65.
Take it short.
Yeah, me too. Oh, wow, look at that. You and me.
Well, I'm asking.
No, short. I got short. I'm short. Right. 65, 64, 65, 75.
Although we are in this sideways chop.
Let me put up Project X. You can see the wrinkle bar. I'm shooting for a second wrinkle bar.
Short.
Order filled.
I'll take a 3 lot on daytraders.com also. 65. I'll add a 3 lot at 72 if we go there.
There's a lot of barcoding though, so it's still risky.
There is, and my stop is right at the high there. But we do have the 15-minute opening range. If we can poke our heads under the water there, under that blue line, we might see some continuation. Let's go. Poke under. Come on, don't just hold it. Poke it, push it lower. There we go. Now let's see some continuation.
Order filled.
I took a little piece over there. I'm going to take little pieces. Come on. Really? I wasn't fast enough? This is the more important account. Goodbye.
This is where it wants to barcode up.
Yeah, I'm not taking the chance.
What?
I'm not taking the chance. That's it for me.
Yeah, taking the 7 points.
Yeah, there we go. Fell. We got the trade. We got 7 points. Yep. But
I heard the large order. Seen the drop. I'm like, nope. Get out. Not that I was getting out because of the large order. I was getting out because it gave that large order and it gave that big drop. It was like a 5 point drop.
Yeah.
So if we're getting a big drop like that, then it's likely to cover. So get out. Huh? If you're in for a scalp. And look what happened.
Yep. I didn't manage that trade the best, but I tried my hardest. I tried my best. I just didn't execute the best.
Didn't make the $10,000 a day I was promised, but
tomorrow's a new day, new opportunity.
Who was? I was watching somebody. I'm making all this money. And I'm like, if they're risking this many contracts to make that much money, how are they not hitting the, what do you call it? Okay, you have
the go live threshold. Is that what you're going to say?
Well, how are they not hitting the go live threshold?
Yeah.
How are they not hitting the, so if you get in, if you're using, say, 10 contracts of NQ and you get in, it goes 20 points against you. How are you not, you're a max loss?
Yeah. Well, I don't understand how these guys are posting videos. I just got payouts on my 20 accounts for the third time. $3,000 on each account or $5,000 on each account, which means 60 or 100 grand. And then they post it again, and then they post it again. Really? And you're still trading in sim funded? How does that work exactly? How are you pulling out $300,000 from the prop firm and they haven't moved you to live yet? When most prop firms are saying after $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000, they're moving you to live. That's some inside information right there.
Looking for a breakout to the upside.
Which I don't have. Okay, sit back, relax.
I was looking for a breakout to the upside.
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for the retest. We got 2 candle closes below.
It was a few minutes ago. I don't have the time on this chart, on this chat. I got on this one.
I'm going to bring my mic closer. Sit back, relax.
Got stopped at break even. Uh-oh. Can't do break even, remember?
No.
No, not allowed. That's not trading, that's gambling. What firm was it? Was y'all saying that was with?
I don't know what firm that was with.
5 points. That's the, I think out of all the rules, I think that's got to be the stupidest. My funded futures. That's the one everybody talks so good about. And you can't go break even? Hit the like button. I already hit. If I hit it again, it'll go away.
That's true.
You got to hit the reaction button. Nobody knows about those.
Oh.
Down at the bottom, there's a little heart. I don't know why they made it a heart.
I don't know why they made any of those buttons, to be honest with you.
It's like nobody likes the heart.
Okay, let's see. Where do I
There are some other cool ones. There you go.
Oh, no, no good. Thank God. I got in early by accident. 60, 58. Okay, I got 2 points better. Short. That was an accidental entry. That was my mouse is too sensitive. So this time I'm going to hold for the 7 points. 51. I'm looking for 51. And that
So
can
she
give
told
us...
me on this. Good.
Oh, just saying. No, that can give me the... get that to 51. It might also set up the 15-minute OR retest trade. So let's get down to 51. It'll serve two purposes. Come on, 56, 57. Give me a push. It should be on the top.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push.
Yeah, that was nice.
So she told him the count type he's on, and he has to hit 4 points. No break even.
That's just so ridiculous. That's just so ridiculous. That push.
So I guess it's got to be 4 points up or 4 points down.
That's
8 point range. You can't trade.
Yeah. You ever hear something like that?
That's the stupidest thing in the world.
Yep. They really had to be having tequila shots when they came up with that rule.
That's like telling a race car driver, you can drive fast, but you can't wear a seatbelt.
You can't hit the brake in a certain area of the track, no matter what happens. Too bad.
When you're going around the turn, you can't hit the brake. If you're doing over 100. If you're doing over 100, you go around the turn, you can't press the brake. 53. I got it a little bit better. Let me see 52, and then I'll take it. Very good. Another successful trade brought to you by OFT, who gave us the push. I need him to say dump. I got to call him. Colin, look, I need a dump sound from you. Can we get one of those? And a picture on the toilet. Don't want to ask for too much, but can we get those?
Let me open up the Renko chart. You can see the single Renko bar. I had a better price, so we did trade lower. I was able to get a better price and get my 7-8 points. And the great thing about that is I might be able to re-enter. If we don't form that second bar is a 73% probability. If we don't form that second bar and we trade higher, I can re-enter and go for that second bar again because that probability doesn't change. Just to be clear, the probability of a second bar forming after a first bar forms is 73%. There we go. That was a 73% trade. The probability of a third bar forming right now is, I don't remember exactly, it's between 48 and 53%. So let's just average 50%.
I think Alpine got some out of his trade. He left.
Whoa.
It's not good to see. Got like 15 accounts down over $2,000 and you just walk away. I can't look. Can't look. I'd probably walk away too. 4,000. He always seems to get lucky though. I don't get lucky like that. I hold my trades. I don't come back.
Yeah. You know what? When I traded poorly, I never got lucky.
Not me.
And no, I said I never got lucky.
That's what I'm saying. Not me either.
Yeah. And when I started to trade properly, things just seems to work out. Wow, two nice trades. Boom, 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 boom.
So it seemed like we're going to sell until the rate cut.
Yeah. 81. 75. Doesn't catch it, eh?
I think right now there's a lot of people
73.
speculating. Everybody's trying to get the inside scoop.
8225.
A lot of people are trying to hedge their positions because they want to be, a lot of the big banks and the big companies, they want to be in a neutral state. So they want to try to hedge their positions. So if it goes, if we get the rate cut or if we don't, whether the market goes up or down, they're not losing too much money. And everybody's trying to get the inside scoop. I'm sure Nancy Pelosi already has her trades in.
That was funny.
That's she's the world's best trader.
Okay, you don't believe that conspiracy.
What?
That she
is the world's best trader.
No, that she's, of course.
Well, not really her, but her husband. Her husband's the world's best trader.
They're not using information that they have that we don't have. They're really good at what they do.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. She's her husband, not her husband, world's best trader.
Yeah.
No inside information. I'm not insinuating that.
10:30.
She's really mad about that law they're trying to pass about no inside trading.
Why? She doesn't have enough money? She's not good? She's not set for life? Her kids and her grandkids? These guys, they always want more, hey? There's no limit to the greed. Remember what I said a couple of days ago? If we break initial balance within the first minute, it's a strong indication of continuation lower.
All I want to know is what are my bonds doing?
We got 20 minutes left. 20 minutes. Correct me. 10 seconds. I meant to
ain't
say
even
20
moving.
seconds.
They never move.
Bonds don't move. That's why they're called bonds. You see why I do that? I raise it. Okay,
One day I'll get my money. One day I'll get my money back.
We broke lower.
Only down $5 per position.
37. Let's get down
about
to 30.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding.
Don't make me look bad. I said we should see good, strong continuation when we break it in the first minute. We broke it in the first minute. Uh, 41.51.
Still getting these large orders all day.
Oh, yeah? To the upside, to the downside? What are we looking at? Give me a reading. Talk to me.
Like we're not getting much volume, but when it comes in, it just comes in large orders. All the big money speculating.
What's the cumulative delta doing? Sparky, go away. Every time you meow, I lose money.
Bama had a sell limit earlier. It never got activated. Don't feel good about it. So I didn't activate it earlier. Turns out it was the trade I should have taken. Yeah, it's always the trade should have taken.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a nice on the 5 minute. Check it out real quick. Nice evening star pattern right here.
You will not let me win you, you bugger.
Right.
Nice
evening star pattern.
No, that's it, Sparky. Otherwise, your belly's going to hang down to the floor. Well, 15-minute opening range retest coming into play.
Okay.
Based on the way I track it. We did get 2 consecutive closes under the 15-minute opening range low. We got a full candle.
Mike, not only are you going to have me saying A, you're going to have everybody saying A.
Gonna have everybody. So the
Bama's going to be in Alabama talking about A.
A.
They're going to be looking at him weird too. A? The hell you just say? A. What about B?
Never.
Now we need some surfers in the chat, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
What's it at? It's at 62, eh? Do I enter in just
15-minute
an order?
ORB retest.
Yeah.
What has our retest been like today? Terrible. Oh, we took it, didn't we?
I front
got out. Yeah.
I front ran it. I don't know what word to call it. A little bit. I got in at 57 for a 5 lot on Bulenox. Let's see if we can go down to 47. Give him 10 points. But I think my winning
streak. I think that retest of the VWAP. We had the retest of VWAP with the 2-minute candle looking nice, and then it came into a evening star on the 5-minute. I think that was the trade of the day that I missed. What was I doing? I think I walked away at that moment, or I was doing something else.
It's so funny. You guys laugh at the A that I say, but for me, it's it so naturally means what or huh? You know, it's like that's what it means. It's instinctively. That's an instinctive word for some reason in my brain. Like that's what a caveman would say when he wants to know what you said. Hey, hey, huh, hey.
Yeah, but to be fair, if I said huh 1,000 times a day, you'd probably make fun of it too.
Yeah, I would.
Huh?
Huh? Go with what Tim, I think that was his name, Tim or Tom in Home Improvement. Arr, 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 arr. Didn't he do some kind of growl like that or grovel? Stick away.
Come up with something, huh? Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We're going to come up with something.
Know what I mean, bro? Looks like we're getting a short here. I don't know. We're kind of down towards the bottom side of this channel. And we're at a support. What is our
Let's
support?
Go. Break the.
Oh, this is our gap, isn't it?
IB.
Yeah. Okay.
Break the IB low.
We probably want to fill this gap. This could be a good trade.
Break the IB low.
You going short?
Go. I'm short already at 40.
Don't like how low we are on the channel.
Pecker, go lower. Go lower. Dump. Do nice dump for me. Do nice dump. Shit, see, we broke it, but there's no stops there. Where's the 10-point push? Or dump?
Not seeing it.
No.
I'm going to break even. Choking it out.
Come on, dump. Do nice dump. Don't go the other way. Don't go the other way. Sell it. Sell.
Take my 4 points. Yes, it's getting a little push.
Yeah, I took a little.
I'll let you wait for the dump.
I know. That's it. I'm out. I'm out.
It's going to dump. It's going to dump. It's at the bottom.
What's he up to, OFT? It's not coming back to streaming. It's not coming back to streamer land.
Yeah, it's going to dump. Should have held it.
Well, looking at the 1-minute chart, that doesn't look like a dump yet to me. That candle isn't an expansion candle.
Oh, it's too many wicks today.
It's a very slow dump. You know, it's one of those that you're pushing and and it's only coming out a centimeter at a time.
I'm gonna start a new channel called "I Hate Fucking Wicks."
And you gotta squeeze your butt cheeks to cut it so it falls in the water.
Was that the dump? That was it, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it was only a nugget.
Oh man,
it wasn't a dump; it's a nugget.
Oh yeah.
It's like all that pushing just for that. Seriously.
Well, I'm glad I got out at this point. That's too much clenching of the butt cheeks right there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. I'll tell you, I'm not able to pass 52,800 on my Bulenox funded account there, sim funded or whatever. This is the fourth time I got up to within like $20 of 52,800 of 52,800. I get right up to that level there, and then I go back down again. Up to that level, back down again. Up to that level, back down again. I wonder if it's psychological. Anyways, I'm trading it strategically.
You saying it's all in your head?
Sometimes I wonder if I pick the less probable trades, hoping that they go. I wonder that. I see that pattern sometimes. Either that or I'm trading scared. So when you trade scared, you lose. When you trade comfortable and free in the mind, I don't think I'm scared. I didn't realize any stress. My heartbeat doesn't pick up. I don't breathe faster. Those days are over. I'm not vested into any single trade. It lost. It's down 150. Come back tomorrow. I probably won't remember. Not going to be stubborn.
Nope. I mean, you gotta look at the bright side. What other job can you have where you can like majorly screw up, and the next day it don't even really matter?
Yeah.
Reset your account and keep going. If you're on a prop account, I mean, if you're on a personal account, that's a different story. But if you're on a prop account, imagine you go to a different job. Imagine you're a doctor or something. You cut somebody wrong.
Oops.
Blood's gushing out everywhere.
It'll heal. That's what you're saying.
You're hearing about it. You're hearing about it for years. I mean, as a trader, you can blow any eval funded account. It sucks. I'm not saying it don't suck, but I'm saying what other job can you majorly screw up and show up the next day like nothing happened?
Yeah. Well,
hey, speaking of that, how's one man doing? You ever come back?
Who? Wombat?
I said one man. I didn't really want to say.
One man?
Alpine. I don't really want to say his name. I don't know. Alpine trader was down like 100 grand or something.
I don't know. I'm not a follower of Alpine. I think I checked out his stream 2 times in my entire life.
Let's see, where's my calculator? Got about 15 accounts times, let's average 3,000, $45,000. Huh?
No, I'm just saying, let's sit back again and enjoy my,
If he was down $45,000, would your butt cheeks be clenched?
Yep. He
gets lucky, man. He gets lucky. I don't know how he does it.
That's an error. I'm never doing that.
He does it. He gets lucky.
Told you.
I mean, he's a good trader.
I've gone to the other side. The other side is small losses. That's it.
I was dumping on him again. Uh-oh.
On the fundeds, like I said. I don't want people to go back at me one day when they see me blow an eval in one day.
They're all PAs.
Yeah, I will occasionally dedicate, if the opportunity is there, like on an FOMC day. I don't plan on doing it today, but I will pre-plan it. I will have an eval, and I'll say, let me go for it. Let me try to get halfway, 3/4, and I'll try to make $2,000 in a day. And if it doesn't work, I'll blow the account. I will still do that occasionally, but I do remember what you told me last time when I did it. You told me about habits. And I think it's best I stay away from that kind of activity.
Let's do 15 times 3,500, 52,000. Wow. That's above my pay grade.
This really looks like we're going to go lower. Just get a good price. Get a good entry. Don't chase it at the low, the low.
All right. Have a massive gap in my footprint. So the next level is around 310. Is it on the 30-minute chart, Bama? Massive gap. Maybe you're talking about hourly or...
Hell yeah, you can get gaps in the footprint charts. I didn't even know that. Yeah, we learn something new every day.
Oh, that's the hourly gap. So I have that marked out here. NT8.
Oh, you guys didn't update to NT9 yet? You're still working on NT8?
They haven't updated their software in 20 years, have they?
I was waiting for it. Really? There's an NT9? I was just joking.
I was watching a video. Guy was like, are they ever going to update this thing? They haven't updated in 20 years.
Yeah, they're sitting and enjoying the fruits of their labor, the spoils of their their efforts.
You give them credit. They haven't really done many updates, and they're still one of the top platforms. So that shows you how good it was when I brought it out. I mean, I would like to see some common sense updates, though. Can we get a break-even button? I mean, Bama can't use it on my funded futures, but the rest of us could use it.
What's up, Spark? You want to eat the whole box? Nobody.
Although, for anybody that don't know, you can set a break-even hotkey. So I think we are filling this gap, at least this hourly gap. Then we might go for the 4-hour gap. I think we filled the hourly at 417. Damn, he said 310. That's way down there. Is that this one? 317.
I think tonight I make it a priority to fix my bot, the code on my bot. It would have been cleaning up again today. It is what it is.
This guy, he's still in the trade. Is he holding 3 minis?
Who are we talking about?
Alpine. That's what I'm saying. How can they... If he's down almost $5,000, how does that not blow the PA?
I don't know. $3,000 PA, maybe?
I mean, 300?
300,000, yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, I put up a poll. Should we stream during FOMC later today? Or should we sit on the balcony and enjoy the sunshine? Those are the two options.
Do have a pivot point right here. See a bounce? What else we got to go with it? Fill the hourly gap. We can get rid of... Fill the hourly gap. Get a pivot point. Could see a bounce.
My God. Be quiet.
Technically, the gap is to 397. He's way down here. Bam, you talking about footprint or you talking about, yeah, he's talking about volume profile? 310 or 315. Yeah, we have this low right here, 317. That would be my
57. Hey, Ruin won.
Area of interest if it gets down there. Wondering, because I would think right here on the volume profile would be the most volume.
The hostess with the mostest.
330. One of my accounts is negative 1,300. Back to 200, or was negative. Back to 200. Very difficult day for me. But overall, finish in profit in all accounts. Sweet. That's what we like to hear, Skeletor. Although being down, now is that 1,300 per account? Because that's allowing a lot of drawdown, isn't it? Overall, okay.
Okay, well, that's good.
Just one account. Okay.
I mean, that's a little bit on the edge there. Because if you were down 1.3K and you took another trade.
Yeah. But whatever your system calls for.
Yeah, and he trades large numbers, Skeletor, and he's doing well at it, so go, baby, go.
Try not to tell anybody about their system, because
no,
as long as we have a system, that's just having a system. Any system, I think, beats about 80% of traders.
So I'm in the dashboard there that you were telling me about the control room. I don't see a pause button.
At the top?
Nope.
You see the big button, white button that says end stream?
Yep.
And right next to that, there should be buttons.
No, I have a share. I have an add stream marker.
Yeah, that's it.
Add stream marker?
Next to that, you have highlights.
Create highlights.
Next to that, you have start break.
Nope.
You don't have a clock up there.
Nope.
There's not 4 buttons. There's only 3.
Yep. Well,
so they added the other 3, but they didn't add that one.
I guess I didn't even know they added those 3. I've never been in this control room. Just now I looked how to do it. But yeah, I got those 3. But you know they roll things out, eh? Like there's the auto dubbing and there's the
yeah.
Chat points. They push it out at it piece by piece. I guess they want to see that it's working.
Of course. But supposed to be a lot of things are rolling out. So interesting.
Shh.
One they are supposed to be rolling out is the ability to.
Shh.
Can you hear me now?
I don't want to hear you.
Fine, I'll go away then. Chat, I'm leaving. It's Mike's fault.
1, 2, 3, 4 winners today. That's all 4 trades. Amazing. Only 4 trades. I don't understand that even. Hey, Dave. How you doing? How did boom, boom, boom. There was no 15-minute retest really officially. It didn't tap into it, but I took it early, so I did good on that. Are you going to stream later? Absolutely. I will come in at... I don't know. Omnis is gone. I was going to ask Omnius what time. I don't know, 1:30, 2, somewhere around there. I'll have a light lunch. I'll go for a walk. Enjoy the sunshine. We're up here in the northeast, which means winter is coming soon. That's why all the spiders are coming into our house. I don't know if you heard my spider stories. One spider in my shower 2 days ago. Another spider in my shower yesterday. The guy yesterday, I left him alone. The day before that, he wouldn't go out. I killed him. I tried. He wouldn't go. He was being stubborn. He was running always in the opposite direction, and I had to go in the shower. I lost my patience. But then I felt bad. So the next day there was one. I said, you know what? They're small. They're as big as my index finger's thumbnail. They're these tiny little guys. Leave him alone. He's on the wall. I don't even think he could jump on me, and if he tried. So I don't know why we're scared of little insects like that. Ants, caterpillars, grasshoppers, love them all. And spiders, for some reason, they scare me. I think it's all their legs. Spiders, yeah. So.
You talking about spiders again?
Oh, yeah.
Spiders, they really got you scared.
Yeah.
Hey, fix your camera, man. You're sitting up so high, your head's poking above the box.
No, it's not. You know, that's the funny story. Well, it depends. If I lean back as I wait, see, now I'm good. It all depends on what I'm doing. I was
adjust the camera.
Well, not every time I move in my chair. See, now it's good. As I'm relaxed, I bring the mic close.
Your head's above the box.
Not anymore.
Wait. Hold on, I gotta go to live.
Now I'm good.
There you go.
It depends on where I'm sitting in the chair.
Well, hey, if you like your head above the box, however you like it. Oh, we're getting up. Pushing up. Any lungs here?
Yeah.
Hey, Mike, so when your kids were in... Go back to the time when your kids were in school, right?
Yeah.
And they do a test or something. They come home, and as a father, you're like, how'd you do on your test? And your kid's like, A? You're like, I'm asking, how'd you do on your test? The kid says, A. I'm asking, how did you do on your test?
And you thought of that while you were in the bathroom, seriously? While we just missed an initial balance retest trade, or I missed it. Did you guys catch it? I didn't catch it.
I just told you I was looking for longs. I'm not looking for shorts.
Really?
Although the short, it did work, huh?
You're a brave man. What tells you to go long? Let me go on your chart. Show me why you can go long, Mr.
We're at the bottom of the channel.
Bottom of the channel. Yeah, but
we filled the gap. We do have a 4-hour gap still, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Still waiting for that.
So you're gonna go counter?
No. I mean, I would have probably got a good setup, but now you ruined it.
What would give you the confidence to go long on that? Getting above those thick red lines, or getting above the channel that you had those two straight lines? It looks like a regression channel. Maybe it's just trend lines you drew in, but could be a regression channel also. Like where would you need to go?
I drew.
Oh my goodness.
Build structure sideways, maybe a push up with a gap, come back down, test the gap or something, or some kind of a pattern. What we got in the 5 minute? The 5 minute. We do have a hammer, but we need more than that. We got ES trying to push. What's the ES 5 minute? A lot of wicks. So ES has been holding support at this level for a while. Bama wants to see the 24, 300, 303. I ain't got no music. I ain't had no music all day. Yeah, I'll trade with no music. I thought it was funny, by the way, Mike. Hey?
It was.
I'm asking what your grade was, hey?
Crazy thing is, I didn't even get it at first.
Really?
Serious. Okay, I have to make my camera look more like yours.
Now your head's poking out the top. Why does mine and yours look so different?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I gotta fix mine. You're consistent on both, about approximately. It's mine that's all screwed up. You look the same on both streams, approximately. A little
You gotta zoom
shorter.
out.
You're missing.
You gotta zoom out a little bit and then minimize.
Now's not the time to do it. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I gotta cut the futures. I don't know how yours has the words and
Yours is zoomed in more. You gotta.
And yet you got me all the way down to my belly button. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's try and fix it. Let's do what. Let's see what I can do. Wait, I might get a short trade. Forget it. Not important right now. Oh, no, we're still far from a short trade. I'm sorry. Okay, so I can play with the camera. Everybody look away. I'm going to be playing with my camera. Where is it? Let's see what yours looks like. Yours, you go below the mic. You're all the way down to, wow. Let me look at ominous. See, I don't have more of you that I can catch. You're not bringing in your feed from Discord. Am I? You are?
Yeah, it's all Discord.
Well, I can't seem to grab more of you. Look, if I go down, it's black.
I was listening to
On my stream here, so
Alpine the end of the stream.
They're
just gonna have to start over with all evals.
This is the second day that he's or the second time. Didn't he just recently also have another car crash like that?
Oh, it was down the other day, but then I think it came back. That's why I said he gets so lucky.
Oh, I remember. Yes, you were asking if he came back or whatever. Yeah, I remember that now.
I mean, that's taking a lot of drawdown. How do you take $50,000 of drawdown? I mean, he does it. That's his style of trading. It's always been a style of trading, so he's been very good at it. So he will reset and get right back to it. Got no doubt of that.
I'm due a break.
Would you be mad if you was down 50,000?
You talking to me?
And that's a guessing number, by the way. That's not. I'm not saying he's down that much. I'm saying that's what I'm guessing. If you were down 50,000 a day, would you be upset?
I would be upset, and how upset my wife's going to be. That's what I'd be afraid of.
You just go ahead and walk out to the doghouse, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, but them guys trade like that. They're used to it. So we're still going down, huh? Did you take the short?
No, but I do have an entry at 16, targeting 09. Should I do it? Should I pull the trigger? Looks like Alpine had a bad week. Yeah, Alpine's having a bad string of
Order
showing
filled.
the ask. Okay, I took a short 3 lot at 19 on my day trader
Plus,
account.
markets are tough right now. A lot of people are having either good weeks or bad weeks.
Yeah.
It's not just him. And that's what we go through as traders. It's good to see all that.
I'll pull up my Project X account, blow it up. Let's see if I can get that second bar. That's all we're going for. Where do I want to put the buy limit? That is good right there. Let's put it in limit buy 3 lot. There we go. Okay, let's watch a Project X trade. I'll sit back. We got halfway
Short?
there. Short, yeah.
Guessing short. I guess get longs out of your head. I guess there's no reason to even consider longs.
Just to let you know, this one had a really bad spell. I hit PDLL, I think,
Order
3 or
filled.
there we go. Here's another perfect example. I hit PDLL 3 or 4 times. Maybe I just traded poorly, whatever, but this has a PDLL. Let me just go see what it is. Settings, personal daily loss limit, $300, way too high. This is a $1,500 account. I thought it was less than that. I'm changing that. Let's go to 190. That's enough. Anyways, I hit it 2 or 3 times in a row. So let's say 3 times. I was down $900.
Today?
No. Over 3 days.
Okay.
Because of the PDLL. And look, now I'm back over 25,000 again. It's a $25,000 account, the day trader account that I got.
Yeah.
So once again, it just shows, take your small losses and then you recover. And especially on this account, there's no time limit. You just pay once. So, I was discouraged.
I would like to get one of those when they go back on sale again.
Yeah, me too. I was discouraged. And I said, it's going to be a long journey. But here we are. We're now back over 25,000. Just goes to, once again, proven right. Just keep doing it.
Oh, it might be on sale. It's on sale now.
Say that again.
It's on sale now. Day traders, $37.
Okay. I got to find
for anybody looking for a new account, day traders, you can get it for $37.90, and I believe that still comes as a one-time fee, so you don't have to pay every month, and you get a free full license to Quantower. So that's the cheapest way to get a full license to Quantower. Just Quantower alone, full license costs like $80-something a month. You add that on top of that, you're paying almost $100 a month. You can get it right there for $37. You definitely can't beat that.
You almost got me wanting to try Quantower, but I don't want to learn. I don't want to learn another platform.
You don't have to go with Quantower. You can.
Yeah, no. But everyone, people use it. I'm curious. That's just what I'm saying.
Alex, get what? It's an account? I don't know what he's saying.
Get what? It's an account? Yeah, Alex, at daytraders.com. The 50K account, the eval fee is $37, so it's like 80% off that you would pay at Apex. But it's only a one-time fee. It's not monthly, so you can take forever to pass, and they won't charge you again.
Also, you can get the 25K account for $25.
Yeah, that's what I did. I went.
Is that what you did?
I went the cheap route. Whatever it was, 21, 23 bucks. How much is the activation? How much it was?
130.
130?
130, yes.
Mm.
I think that's the best deal out there right now. Unless Apex has a 90%, I don't know.
No.
But remember, even with the 90% with Apex, it's not 90% next month. So if you don't pass it in the first month, you'll be paying a lot more money.
Yep.
We got 83% with Bulenox. So what's that? That's about $35, I think.
Hey, you just made me think of something. So I use your code to buy a Bulenox account, right?
Yeah.
Hypothetically. And I don't pass it, and the next month it renews. Do you still get your affiliate commission on that renewal? Theoretically? What do they say?
Yeah, you should.
I don't see that I'm getting that.
Yeah, you'll see, because if you look at it, it'll tell you how many people has used the recent code. And if you're logging back in, if you go to your statistics, you'll see that you got money for this month, but people didn't use your code. Which, what do I know? I don't get much. I think I got $2 this month.
Yeah, no, I don't know how to figure that out.
But
okay, I'm driving
definitely
down
think
to
right
Florida.
now the best deal out there is the day trader.
I love it. I really love it because it comes with Top Step X, Project X, sorry.
Get Project X. I believe you can get Ninja Trader.
And I can finally put it up on my screen and show you guys my setups. That's, for me alone, that's a plus.
I wish they talked more about their platform.
Whoa. Absolutely, Al. To your text, if you're still on.
Yeah, they need to talk more about their platforms, because I believe they have Ninja Trader. I think they're missing out not telling people what platforms they offer.
My lights aren't working. Why is my phone on? Fuck off this phone. Yeah, I will. Whoa, 5 votes to stream at FOMC later today. I better rest up. A double stream. Hey, I have a free day today. Can you believe it? No obligations to go do any. Don't
Must
know
be
what word
nice.
to use.
I got soccer practice and all kinds of stuff. I think the next month is just going to, like, every day is something.
I remember those days.
Then, of course, I got 2 kids, and they can't put it all on the same day, right? It's got to be one kid on this day, one kid on that day, back and forth.
Yeah.
I tried to convince my wife to put one of them on a different team where they both practice the same day.
I'm sorry, it's probably not the most popular statement to make, but I wasn't a fan of soccer when my kids were playing soccer. What did they play? My kids played hockey. They played football. Oh, I hated that. They played lacrosse, another one I hated. That's got to be the most violent sport, I think, in sports, with the cross-checking in the back that they allow. Ringette. Hockey, of course. We're in the north. I was a hockey fan. Loved the hockey.
American football. No, I don't want my kids in football. I think it's either soccer or baseball. What's wrong with soccer?
I prefer hockey.
I don't think we have a hockey team in our town.
You got two in Florida, though. Tampa Bay and Florida Panthers. Can you?
Yeah, we got the
Can you
hockey
believe
team.
that? The state of Florida has two hockey teams. That's
We got one in
crazy.
Jacksonville.
No. I'm saying in the NHL.
I don't know about all that stuff. What's
the
the one in
province.
Jacksonville?
Well, that's going to be juniors. The Jacksonville Jackets.
No, it's not Jackets.
It sounded good.
Iceman. Yeah, what's the Iceman?
Yeah, I like that name.
I'm gonna Google it. Yeah, minor league. So I guess you don't watch minor league.
Not really, no.
I think it'd be
Used to go
cool if they could play hockey. They ain't got no hockey around here.
Used to go to a couple of minor league games, but no more.
We go once a year with we go once a year with the Cub Scouts.
Oh, I got a doorbell ringing. I'll be back in a minute, guys.
I get in trouble every year.
I have no idea what we ordered, but
I prefer football, but I have two daughters, so I never had to worry about them playing football. But I did. Yeah. What do the daughters like to do? They're old enough. My daughter likes playing soccer. Alex 2-2 for the day. I'm off. See you guys for FOMC. Alex, have fun. See you for FOMC. Youngest is Cheers. I don't know if I can get my daughter in the cheerleading. Maybe when she gets older. They go to a small charter school, so their school doesn't offer stuff like that. I think she'd like it, though. Wife wants to get her in the dance, so we might do that. Yeah. She likes doing the singing and dancing. I think she wants to make YouTube videos. I don't know if I'm ready yet for my 6-year-old to be making YouTube videos. Skeletor, my brother played 10 years in the minor league with the Blue Jays. Made it to AAA and spring trading with the major league team. That's awesome, man. Ruin, 6 years, way too young, bro. Ruin, I kind of agree with you. You'd be amazed nowadays how many 6-year-olds have YouTubes and they're out there making dance videos. It's funny. Every kid you talk to now, you ask them what they want to do when they grow up, and they're like, I want to be a YouTuber. They're all being YouTubers now. 5, 10 years old. Yeah, there are a lot of psychos. But to me, the psychos are bad, but even if you're not talking about the psychos, even if you just talk about the psyche, you know, like these kids, they make YouTube videos, and the way the other kids respond is just crazy. It's definitely a mean, cruel world. Yeah, they want to be a YouTube star. But I've seen some of them make Fortnite videos, and it's crazy, like the amount of attention they get. I got a nephew, and he pulls out his phone and records his screen for 2 minutes and makes a video of Fortnite and gets 10,000 views.
That was 4 minutes of ding-a-ling-a-linging on my stream. Alex, are you still there?
He said he was leaving. Said he'd see you for FOMC.
Alex?
That's what he said.
Oh, no. I wanted him to do Chat's Choice.
Bam, okay. I made the youngest delete TikTok. Yeah, it's scary even thinking about kids being on. Turn your camera on. Kids being on TikTok or YouTube.
Thanks.
Like I said, just these kids, they make videos and they just like explode because all the other kids are on there. And they can have 0 followers and have hundreds of comments, and the majority of the comments is telling them how bad they suck and they're losers in life. And just, you can only read stuff like that so much before you start believing it.
Sounds like being married.
At least wait till you grow up and get married, right? I told Mike I might have to quit and just start making Fortnite videos. And they get all the views. All we get is banned.
Yeah.
South Africa, TikTok is terrible. Lots of hidden porn sites. Yeah, it's crazy. Even YouTube now, like they complain about all the ads and stuff and everything, but then your kids are watching like little kids and stuff. Mike, you know how it says, "Is this made for kids?" Yes or no, right?
Yeah.
So the videos they watch are made for kids. They're even selected made for kids. And then they do an ad, and it's like an ad for an erection.
I know.
You're not getting an erection? See the doctor here. Take this pill. Hey, Dad, what's an erection?
Huh.
Yeah, sometimes even just the ads they see are crazy. That's why I try not to let my kids watch short videos. But they love them. Constantly fighting with them. We have a no shorts policy.
I haven't seen any ads, anything similar to that.
Really? We see it all the time.
In TikTok or YouTube? Nothing,
yeah, we see it all the time.
Nothing. I used to get ads like that somewhere. I don't remember what it was. And I used to show my wife and say, wow, look how ridiculous this is. It was a website. I understand
if you want to put it on adult videos, but you're targeting this ad towards kids. They have a button. They select, is this for kids? So YouTube is targeting those ads towards kids. Also, there's a game Roblox that kids play. The amount of pedophiles roaming around in there as well. It's hidden rooms is crazy. Yeah, a lot of the kids. Luckily, my kids don't like Roblox, and I don't even know why. Like all their friends like Roblox, but I don't know why my kids haven't liked it. Not only that, but made for kids content can be pushing ideology on them that you don't agree with. That's true also. Especially every 2 years in the States with the political ads.
Well, I tried to take over Chat's Choice on my own. Put in a cell limit at 34. Didn't get filled. I'll close it.
Did you ask chat?
No, I just tried to grab Alex before he left, but didn't work out. And then
Yeah, phone a friend.
You were talking. you were on a roll there. I didn't want to interrupt you, so I just took it over myself. But
We're talking about kids and wanting to be YouTubers and the crazy things they got to go through. Couldn't even imagine TikTok. I think want to say the worst, but it's not really the worst. I mean, the worst is all the freaking creeps and pedophiles, right? But even if you're saying that that might not happen, then you still think these kids, they make videos. It's just the way the other kids get on there and interact. It's crazy. That's why I won't let the kids play games like Call of Duty and stuff. It's the way those kids get on there and talk.
Well, I got a short trade now in on Project X. Let's see, maybe I'll take it. Why not? I got ahead. Let's see if I can open up Project X in the meantime. Get it going there. Zip. Okay, so the entry is at 23. Let's see if I can get 25 before 23, 25, 26, somewhere around there. Some better price. So I could make it a 1-to-1 trade and 73% accurate. But
yeah, man, it was terrible years ago. Yeah, nobody would talk like that in real life.
nope.
You hear these people and you just hear the way they're talking. And sometimes you'd hear them like talk to their mothers. Like, how old are you, kid? And like, kid's like 8 years old. Just the way they talk to their mothers and fathers and they talk to each other. I'd take my kid out back and be scared to talk for a week. Talk to me like that.
Why are we laughing at that?
I'm not Canadian. I told you enough time. You talk to me like that. My kid told me one day, he said, you know, Dad, one day I'll be bigger than you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, son, one day you will. That's the day you're going to learn a valuable lesson. He's like, what's that? Like, I don't fight fair.
Well, that was discouraging that I missed that entry. Well, I missed 2 entries. I missed the Chat's Choice, which would have made money, and then I missed the Top Step, or I call it the Top Step trade. It's not the Top Step trade anymore, but...
We're pushing down now, right? I thought you were taking a short.
I tried twice, both times on the ask, didn't get filled. You know what they say? If you have a hard time getting filled, the markets are running. If you have an easy time getting filled, there's a good chance you're going to lose on the trade.
Old man strength is real. Along the way, we pick up tricks. I don't think my son would be able to fight his dad.
Nah.
Now the girl, she would. The girl will fight anybody. That'd be the one I'd be worried about. Yeah, I think so, Bama. By the time he gets bigger than me, he'll be more protective. He's protective now because he's got a younger sister. He's more of a softie. She's the vicious one. Twist trading out.
Oh, that was the trade of the day.
Yeah, I told you to take it.
What can you do? What can you do?
I got to find some kind of like happy ground with the YouTube thing because I want to be streamers. I think it'd be good for them to be able to make videos, but at the same time, I'd like to limit them. So I feel like YouTube needs a like just made for YouTube streamer kids or something. I have to look into that. What I might do is just let them make videos and then cut the chat off. Tell them they can't do chats. Then you still got to worry about people messaging your kids.
Yeah, you got young ones. I mean, I worry about my kids all the time, but you worry even, you have a little bit of you have a little bit more to worry about when they're younger.
Well, they watch these other YouTubers and young girls and stuff. I don't know the names of them. But they got millions and millions of subscribers. It's crazy. Of course, they go to school, and all the kids at school now are talking about the YouTubers. I don't think anybody watches TV anymore.
Every day I go out, someone catches me on the street. I have to sign an autograph. Take a selfie with someone. I don't know if you're going through the same thing.
I used to hate that.
You know, when you have this many fans, you gotta make.
I was
them
never
happy.
a fan. I was never a fan of pictures and autographs. You have to twist my arm.
Wow. So I was looking before at the band bounce. We had one, if you remember, I was talking about. Oh, let me see if I can open up the chart here. It's true. Before I go into it, I was saying we had one over here where we took a loss. The next one was over here and got a really nice move down.
Ruin said he's going to come to the U.S. to get a pic with you.
With
hey,
you?
Ruin, Mike don't live in the U.S.
Yeah, not with me. He's talking about you.
No, he said Mike. We're all going to fly to Canada. Get tents, camp outside of Future Floor's house. You're going to wake up one day and be like, who are all these people camping outside my house? We have to do it in the summer, though. I heard it gets cold in the winter there.
It does.
I can't go from 100-degree weather to 30 or 20. How cold does it get there?
Oh, I don't know. You're in Fahrenheit. So that's give me a second.
It just sounds cold.
No, close the mic.
I was like, what is that?
Yeah, I hate when that happens. Well, hopefully I caught it quick enough. Oh, remember the last time? I said, let's see if I'm going to get a copyright strike because I closed my mic like in under a second or 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it still shows fine. So
I told you got 4 seconds.
yeah, there was music playing. I don't remember whose it was. I don't think it was yours. It was another site.
Maybe it's on the 4th second.
Nothing. Yeah, no, it was definitely under 4. It was even under 2 for sure. I think I might have even caught it under 1.
I still got a copyright claim. Like I can dispute it, but hell, there's like 20 different claims. I gotta go dispute every one. And then when you dispute, it takes a while. Might be better off deleting the video.
What's minus 10 in Fahrenheit? Sorry, minus 10 Celsius.
Maybe if I do one, they'll take care of the rest. Let's see, dispute. Continue.
Okay, so in your temperature, it's about 20 degrees on average here in their winter. I mean, then it gets colder for the month of February, but it goes down to 0, what you would know is 0 in Fahrenheit. But in general, we're probably around the plus 10.
Plus 10?
Yeah, for
plus
Fahrenheit.
10 what?
Degrees. Our winter's here. Average day, plus 10, plus 15 degrees. Fahrenheit.
I'm probably not going to Canada. I have to send a postcard.
Well, I'm flying down to the U.S. as soon as I have an opportunity. I'm fixing your cameras, and then
What's wrong with my camera?
I'm putting glue on them, so you don't change it anymore.
My camera looks great. Hey, you finally got yours working.
Yeah.
You don't look like you're sticking your head out of a box.
Go back and forth between yours and mine. Put them both up in a browser and just go click, 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 and you stretched us again. I'm toilet paper roll head again.
An average day is 15 degrees year round. Where's that at?
Who said that?
Bama. That can't be Alabama.
Oh, an average day is 15 degrees. No, in the winter. Like I said, December, January, March, February gets colder. February we probably go below 0. But November, December, January, March will be in the plus 10, plus 15, plus 20, plus 25 in those areas. Fahrenheit again.
All right, dispute a one. See if they'll take them all off. I can't be disputing 20 different songs.
Well, the one that really surprised the hell out of me was when I just showed pictures of that rock band, Pantera or whatever.
How'd you get a name for that?
I was so shocked by that, I'm afraid to say their name. Copyright strike. You used the name Pantera in your
You're telling me you can't show a picture of a band, but people stream music. People stream like Fortnite and video games and movies.
Yeah, I don't question it. I have enough gray hair. Thank you very much.
They never gonna understand these people.
Mm-hmm.
Hot as hell in Alabama. Yep. Almost like Florida. Where is Alabama? Where's my map at? Where's Alabama to Florida? Google. Oh yeah, maps.
Interesting.
That was the very first one. I told you I was blind. Yeah, zoom out. Alabama's beside Georgia.
Is that all they have? 25, 50, and 75? They don't have higher than that?
What are you talking
On
about?
daytraders.com? I don't have a scroll or whatever. It's only showing me 3 on the trail.
Let's take a look. I thought I seen more than that. Products.
I would find it
Remember,
really
you got no, they got 100K. They got 75,
I'd find it strange.
150, 250, 300.
Okay, what? I'm being censored here? Like you're censored?
Who?
Mine stops at 75.
What are you talking about?
My day traders, here, hold on. Let me go to, I have a full screen page.
Now, are you in a trail and drawdown or static? There's different. Let's try static.
There we go.
50K, 75, 100K, 150, 250, 300.
Look at my page.
You're not signed in.
Well, you would seriously? So if someone is a guest just looking around, he doesn't get to see all the information? How stupid is that? If I go down here, it's not there anymore.
You got to create an account.
No, I have an account.
What about 2FA? 25, 50, 150. So for 2. Okay, I said it wrong.
It should say log in for more.
S2F. That's kind of hard to say, isn't it? S2F?
That's straight to funded.
Yeah. So you can get a 25, 50, and a 150. Only cost you $500. Anybody want straight to funded? $500. Man, that's a deal, isn't it? I don't think it's the one I'd go with.
Sorry, I wasn't paying. Which one are you talking about?
Straight to funded, $500.
Yeah, 150K. Here, maybe more accounts. Trailing drawdown.
The static's expensive also. Everybody complains about the trailing. They want the static. It's $500 for 300K. What's the 50K?
So the trailing threshold. Wow, this is a good account. Are you kidding me?
What's that?
The trailing threshold, the 300K account. This is much better than Apex. I don't know what they give you in Apex. I don't remember, but you got to go to 20,000, I think, on the 300K account.
Now look at this. Everybody cries about the trailing drawdown, but the trailing drawdown you get 2,500, right? If you go to the static, it costs twice as much for the account, and you only get $1,000 drawdown. I don't know. See, I like the trailing drawdown because they give you so much more. They're giving you $1,500 more to lose, and the account's almost half price.
Okay, I'm gonna get a 300K.
I link in the description.
Link in the description. Trust me. I go to sleep every night. I still feel bad for that error. I swear to God, I still feel bad. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 300K. If you read my Discord, you know why.
I read your Discord.
Yeah, I send you messages in Discord. You should don't check TikTok only. Check Discord every night also.
I can't look at Discord while we're streaming.
No. Like at night, when we chat sometimes on TikTok, you should always check in on Discord also, because I post messages there. Because Discord, I could send you links, I could send you images. On TikTok,
I don't know why, but Discord sends me like everybody else, but they don't send me you.
I don't know.
For some reason, I don't get the chat, but I get like bombarded by all these other people scamming stuff.
It's possible it's one of my settings.
It says, "Oh my God, more homework for me. I still don't get the first video."
Shh. Don't read my private messages.
I'm sorry. Guys, he definitely did not write me that.
I don't want people to hear how grumpy I am at night. How many did I get through? I got through 2 of them.
About the ball thing.
I didn't even get through 2 of the videos. I got through the 3-hour Tory Trades video.
You watched that for 3 hours?
I watched it till the end.
Man, what putting on a white t-shirt will do, huh?
I got through about half of the other one about YouTube. And
I watched it for like 20 seconds. My God, I got better things to do.
And I got through half of the one with the 2 streamers. I have more homework today. I like it.
Anyways,
I like it.
Back to the day traders.
Yeah,
got a great sale going on. I don't know what percentage it is, but
it's got to be 90 or more.
90. So get a 25K trailing $25, 50K trailing $37. I think that's the best deal right now. Probably.
Yep.
I don't know. I would say that's probably better than Apex at 90%. And maybe even better than Bulenox at 91.
Well, Bulenox, you don't want to go to 300K with Bulenox. Their activation fee is, that's another decision was made when they were doing tequila shots.
Oh, yeah?
What is it, 350, 400?
Is it? I always do the 50. I don't know.
The activation fee is out.
I don't know why anybody trade. I don't know why anybody gets the 300.
Nope.
What's the benefit? Or here you get $7,000 drawdown. So if I'm down $7,000, I got to make all that back just to get break even. I got a 50K account. I just reset the account. Why I want to do all that hard work to get back to even when I just reset the account?
Because you can trade a larger size, and instead of having a personal daily loss limit of 200, I could set it at 750, and I can try for $1,000 days.
Well, theoretically, don't matter what account you get, the trail and drawdown stops at break even. So
I don't know what that means.
All right, you have a funded account, right?
Yeah.
None of it really matters on the eval, I guess. So if you have a funded account, you got the 50K. Once you get what is it, 2,500 past that or 3,000 past that?
52.6, let's say, yeah.
It's always, your trail and drawdown stops.
Yeah, it does. You are right. So you
then
gotta build it.
You're building from there.
Yep. Yeah. I agree. 100%. Okay.
So before you can say, hey, I need to trade 10 micros, you probably need to show that you can trade some minis first. Get yourself built up and go from there. You don't have to pay all that extra money.
Well, that is what I want to do with Bulenox. Remember, I said I want to get all 11 accounts up to 7,000 without taking payouts. And then I'll start taking payouts from there.
I still don't know about the 300K on here. You got to make $15,000. Dang. Okay. Me personally, I'd go with the 25 or the 50.
Yeah. Well, what I'm really fascinated about is I'll have the 25 and I'll have the 300. So not only will I copy trade, but I'm going to be copy trading with ratio. And I'm curious to see how that's going to work. Okay.
Maybe today if I blow a Bulenox, maybe I'll try one of the day traders.
Yeah, link in the description.
Yeah.
I don't have a link in the description.
What do you mean?
Why? I only have a link in chat. Why? It doesn't work for me. Remember, I'm pending for 9 months now, so my links don't work.
YouTube hates us.
I got to write to them, especially since you said we got to be ID verified by October 15th. This is an ID verification pending now for 50 days. They're such idiots. I told them just redo the channel. Just move everything over to another channel ID. What are you guys working on it for 2 months now? It would take you 3 hours. It'd probably take one guy 3 hours to move everything over. We don't do that.
What other company does this stuff, man? Could you imagine walking into Walmart and they're like, we need you to be ID verified before you can come in the store?
Mm.
Like, what?
Oh, there's a trade at 9:09, targeting 02. I didn't even notice that. What time is it? 11:48. We're near noon. There hasn't been a losing trade today yet. On the, let me open it up here again. On the Project X. Let's get the 9:30 line up. Did I put in a 9:30 line? Yep, there's the 9:30 line. Let's get the bands properly displayed. So the first trade was here. We got 2 bars. We got nothing above. Second trade winner. Third trade winner. Fourth trade winner. Fifth trade winner. Sixth trade winner. Seventh trade winner. So this is the 8th trade. I stop at noon. So this is the 8th trade. Even if it loses, it will still be 87.5% profitable because it'll be 7 out of 8. And 7 out of 8 is 87.5%. So better than the 73%, but it'll be 100% if this one can go to profit. We're at 15 now. I can get in at a much better price. What account do I want to take it on? Let me take it on.
Order filled.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Do you guys see? You guys see what I see? Look where I'm filled. I now have a 7-point stop
What do you want?
and a 15-point target, and I have a 73% probability of hitting.
What do you want? Ain't got no doggy treats. What do you want?
I ain't got no doggy treats.
They hear you talking about treats.
I love it. Are they small enough for you to pick up so we can see your pets?
Order filled.
Oops. Did I make a mistake? No, I didn't.
I think they want to go outside. All right,
They want a
back.
break. Daddy, take a break.
Do you think they could tell time better than this? Y'all know it's not 12 o'clock. Who set
when you
y'all's
gotta
clock?
go,
Order filled.
when you gotta go, you gotta go. Oh, ominous just disappeared. What's this line here? I don't even know. Oh, that's the marker of the previous close. This is where the candle closed. So I bailed a little early. You know me, I always bail a little early. I should be holding to all the way down here. Let's do a buy limit. Limit buy, 1 lot. That's all I have left. That's my entry. So that's my entry. That's my stop. My take profit, sorry. And this would be my stop order, buy stop for 1. So that's the trade. I need to remove this line. I wish I knew how. Probably somewhere in properties, settings, session break line, crosshair, watermark. But it's probably a line. Oh, last with a white and a line. I don't want. There we go. Now you can see it better. What can you see better? You can see how far away the stop is, and you can see where the take profit is. It's a short trade. And this is a trade. Look at that. Look at the framing of this trade. Now that's a 73% probability trade. Are you guys catching that? Is anyone grabbing onto the fact that I have a trade here that's 2 to 1 and it's a 73% probability? You know what the profit factor is on a setup like that?
What is it? Tell us.
I'm going to check with GPT, but I gotta say it's in the 5 or 6, maybe even in the 10s or 11s. I don't really know. If you have a trade on that is 14-point take profit, 7-point stop loss, and it has a 73% probability, what's the profit factor and the edge on that?
Yeah, it says my dispute was successful. That was fast. I never seen that fast. Now tell me you did all 20 of them. Oh, man.
The profit factor, 5.41. The edge is 10 points. Oh, no, sorry, 8 points. So this trade has an edge of 8 points. That means every trade, average. We know how you talk about the average? You say, what's the average on every trade? Right?
Looking at my dispute. My dispute was successful. They got rid of the claim. There's still like 20 more. I'm not going through every one of them. I just leave it as a copyright claim. All right, what are you saying?
Oh, it's just saying this trade, the way it's framed, the way it's set up right over here, it has an edge of 8.5 points. That means whether you win or lose, on average, you're making 8.5 points to take this trade every time.
A little bit so you can tell us
There we
about
go. Order filled. What?
it. So
You got
zoomed
it.
in, we can't see anything.
We hit. Yeah, you saw. Well, I had everything up there. That's why. Well, that closed my cancel my stop. That's why I zoomed in so you can see how where all my orders were.
Oh, I see like 2 red bricks.
Yeah, well, that's it. It's over. Order filled.
All right.
We got
When?
taken out.
Sweet.
I took profit.
Sweet.
Yeah. Oh, that's a killer trade there. If you can get that, take it every time.
I feel like we got to try out the break button.
That's why I like to add when we go into drawdown by 7 points, because adding that add has a profit factor of 5. That's insane. It's a much better trade. If I were to just stick around and take those trades, I'd probably be doing so much better. I heard echo. You had a
Yeah, it was my
speaker on there
phone.
for a second. Yeah.
There's trying to see if they give you controls on the phone yet, but I guess not.
Mm.
I saw one. I don't know how the guy had it on there, but it was like an AI button on the video.
Mm.
And you can click the AI button and ask questions about the video. That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
But I only seen it on that one video. I don't know how you set that up. I want to try out the break feature. Let's see. Create highlight. Add stream marker. Share. What happens if I press it? How long you'll be away. We'll show add to users so your stream will keep earning. I don't earn nothing. Yo, don't give me anything. It's a hard time. YouTube does not change your sound settings. Remember to mute your mic. 1, 3, or 5 minutes. That's it. I'm going to take a 1 minute break, just see what it does. We got to try it out, right?
Sure.
1 minute, start. What'd it do?
I don't know. I see you on Discord.
Still see me.
And
Am I still there?
your stream is still working. I'm watching your stream.
Get it. What'd it do? I'm there. You're there. I see a timer. Still got 30 seconds. Weird. Hey, chat, you still see me on my stream? Not Mike's, on mine.
I'm on your stream. I see you. I see you.
You see-
You're covered a little bit with the subscribe button, but other than that, I still see you.
Not a very good break.
No.
What was the point? That I don't see anything on the screen. Hope you had a good break. What break?
That's it. Your break is over. It's much better to do it manually the way we do it.
Yeah, that was kind of pointless. Said he still seeing me. Like, what was?
Whew.
I thought I was going to do something cool, like, like play a thing of your channel or something, or something.
Yeah. Well, speaking of breaks,
I didn't do anything.
Hey, let's speaking of breaks, I'm going to go on a 2-hour break or 1.5 hour break or something like that. I'm going to be cutting out now. So let's just review my numbers. I'm up 108 in daytraders.com. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me pull that up. No, you don't see it. Let me see if I push my screen up a little bit. Does it show? That would be the number right here. Daily P&L 108. Let me close that. Open up the accounts. I did say I would show every day. Sometimes I forget. Accounts. No, wrong one. Accounts. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Occupy the screen space, and I got to open it up here. So I just traded one PA account in Apex up 224. That's at the top. And Bulenox, I'm happy to say, I thought my streak would end today. Let me get rid of this, but it continues. Connections, Bulenox. Let's get Bulenox open. We will see the numbers. They're a little small here, eh? The numbers. Realized, realized 216 and 53 on those two accounts, and I do have one red account, so that's 270 on the positive, and on the negative, I have one loser at 151, so I'm plus 120 on Bulenox. The streak continues in my Bulenox accounts. Tomorrow will be day 16. There we go. That is the summary of my activity today. And close that. Zoop.
Ruin, see you. We might do FOMC. I don't know for sure whether I am or not.
Yeah, I'll be on around 1:30.
I'd like to try to.
I'll be tracking him down. I'm going to be I'll be pinging his phone.
Skeletor, have a good rest of your day.
Trying to get him on.
See you around 1:30 or 2 if we do it.
Yep.
What I take? I took 2 or 3 trades today. All green. No massive green day, but I am green across the board. So I'll take that. Skeletor. Okay. Later. Appreciate you guys. Bama. Later. Ruin. Skeletor. Anybody else? Appreciate everybody hanging out. See everybody later today. We got da. Okay. That's nothing. Mike.
That's it. Take care.
Later, guys.
I'll be back at 1:30ish.